Bond, and I'm playing Judith.
I'm Bailey Beard, and I'm playing Jacqueline.
I'm Samantha Spencer, and I'm playing Janet.
Judith is German, and she works for Lufthansa Airlines, and she is naive in a way, but also very assertive.
Jacqueline is French, and she's really polite, but she has no problem yelling to get her point across if she's upset.
Janet is from America, and she is just more free love and love everybody and love the one you're with. And every day is an adventure, and just wake up and have fun.
When I first came here, I was very excited to find out that I was going to be in Boeing-Boeing.
A pack of cigarettes.
When I joined Boeing-Boeing, I was really excited to learn Zora and Sana because I think they are both beautiful women.
Well, I really thought that when I started this show that being the American, I wouldn't really have to learn an accent, and I was grateful for that because I'm really terrible at them, and as it turns out, I did have to learn one.
Judith actually is engaged to Bernard, as we all are.
What?
Yeah, I know.
You're
Right?
engaged too?
And but she finds a little hitch in the whole story because she ends up falling in love with his friend, and so it's a very interesting set of miscommunications and misunderstandings, but it ultimately all works out.
Jacqueline shows up for a very brief period of time. She thinks she's only there for lunch, and she and Bernard, who she's engaged to, the other two, show up back at the apartment because she's being transferred to a new machine, so she's not taking off till the next morning. So it's kind of like a fight of timing to try to get her out of these two show up.
Janet is there for breakfast, and she is out the door and on her way back overseas to America, and a terrible storm causes her to turn around and come back.
It's a cat fight moment.
Janet just doesn't care.
Now, are we just all going to do something like this so it'll sell better?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Come see our show.
Till there was an ice age, 40,000